Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone is original or fake. So to check your iPhone originality, what you have to do is open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down just a bit and click on General, and then click on About Phone. Now on this page, you will be able to see all of the details about your iPhone device or iOS device. So on this page, specifically, you have to check the model number. If your model number starts with the letter M, which means it is a new Apple device purchased authentically from Apple online or offline. But if your model number starts with the letter F, which means your device is refurbished. And if your model number starts with the number N, which is also the letter in my case, which means the iOS device that I'm using is a replacement device from Apple. So my device is a replacement. Another thing that you can check is open your any web browser. Either you can open Safari browser on your iPhone, or you can also open this website on your web browser on your computer. The website is called checkcoverage.apple.com. And on this website, you have to enter your serial number. And you can find your serial number in the exact same place, just under the model number. All you have to do is copy and paste the model number and then click on Submit. After you click on Submit, you'll be able to see all of the details about your iPhone, your purchase date, the serial number, your coverage, each and everything. And that's simply how you can check if your iPhone is original or fake. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.